Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs and bread. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and a pat of butter. Don't forget your small non-stick pan and a spatula. We'll also want some salt and pepper nearby to season our delicious breakfast. This method is quick and perfect for any morning. Now let's get those eggs ready. Crack 2 to 3 large eggs into a small bowl. Using a fork or a whisk, beat them gently until the yolks and whites are just combined, creating a uniform yellow color. Add a small pinch of salt and pepper to the mixture. Next, place your non-stick pan on the stove over medium-low heat and melt about a half tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted and the pan is warm, pour in your egg mixture. Let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. Then, using your spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue folding and stirring until the eggs are soft and creamy. While the eggs cook, pop your bread into the toaster. Your scrambled eggs are almost ready. Remove them from the heat when they are still slightly moist. They will continue to cook a little from residual heat. This keeps them wonderfully fluffy. As soon as your toast is done, butter it generously. Finally, transfer your perfectly cooked scrambled eggs to a plate and serve them immediately with your warm, buttery toast. Enjoy your simple, delicious breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.